Hello everyone! This video may be kind of unique. I've set this up mainly for singers, but instrumentalists might find it helpful as well. I'm going to walk you through how to practice with a cello drone. Today's topics include how to practice singing, how to sing in tune, how to design a vocal practice around this, and how to use some different tools to become a better musician all around. Today I'm going to be talking about how to practice using a fixed pitch, like a pitch pipe or cello drone. Doing vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises against a fixed pitch like this will really help us work on holding the key and staying in tune as we sing, as well as work on a smooth and resonant singing tone. We can also use it to practice music. It will help us to pay close attention to our interval work as well as our tuning. While we do want a pitch that is holding a steady tone, I prefer a live cello drone to something like an electronic pitch pipe. It sets up a great overtone stack and it doesn't feel so artificial. I've edited together some cello drones, which I've provided for you down in the About below, one in each key. Or click on the above for the key of B flat. Let's start with some warm-ups that use these drones. There's a lot that we can do to sing into this sound for ear training or for tuning. I'm going to turn on my drone and we're going to try a few patterns. Not this kind of drone, this kind of drone. Let's start with a lip trill or a bubble. Here's the pattern. 5-1, here we go. Again. Thinking of singing into this sound. I do like to give my ears a little rest when I'm working on cello drones. One of the reasons I like them so much is that they throw this amazing overtone stack, and I really like to feel like I'm singing into it. Now let's use the first 5 notes of a major scale and we'll sing on Lu. It's going to sound like this. Let's descend. Lu, 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 lu. We can go up and down. I'm feeling like I'm disappearing into the sound at the end. Let's do that again, up and down. Once that feels good, we can try it on different neutral syllables or on solfege. Let's try that once. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Again. As you do this, listen to how each of the tones interact with the drone, whether you're looking for a unison or a fifth to lock, or listening to the dissonance that happens in a major second. Try it one more time without me. This work is really excellent ear training. Let's move to a full octave major scale. I'm going to do this in the key of B flat, and let's sing on a ma, 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 very neutral vowel. Ma, 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 one more time. Ma, 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 ma. As you can imagine, there are lots of vocal exercises that can be done this way that will really help with tone production and tuning. This can also be an excellent way to practice your music. So let's do some of that. Let's take the song You Are My Sunshine in the key of E flat. This can be a very meditative exercise, so listen deeply. Notice when you land on the note that's being played or when you have a note that's dissonant with that, and then it comes back into consonance. Whether you're singing the melody or a harmony part, you'll see that this has a ton of possibilities. I'd encourage you just to turn it on and play. Note how your voice interacts with the cello drone, see what happens when you come in and out of that note. For exercises like these, it's great to start slowly, and then when you're feeling confident, speed up some. While we're giving our ears a little rest, I wanted to let you know that I've designed a practice journal, like a practice log or a goal planner. I've left links to that down below, so check those out if you want to see the electronic version or the hard copy version. Now, in addition to singing against the keynote or tonic, a great way to practice is to sing against the fifth. So I'm going to keep singing the same song in the same key. You are my sunshine. But instead of singing it against the E flat, I'm going to sing it against the B flat. Here's what it sounds like. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. That gives you something slightly different to listen to and something slightly different to lock into, but it's really a great exercise. Again, check out all the links below for cello drones and more. You can also find those by navigating to my main YouTube channel. Thank you so much for singing with me. I hope you'll like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Yes, I know you have a lot to say. I prefer a live jello.